Hey there, today we're going to look at interval qualities in minor scales or minor keys. Now, pay attention. Just because you're in a minor key doesn't mean they're all minor intervals, so you need to be careful with these. Let's take the key of A minor as our example here. If we look at the distance between the first two notes, that's still a major second. The third is a minor third. Perfect fourth, perfect fifth, as you might have imagined, aren't going to change. That's a minor sixth, a minor seventh, and a perfect eighth. Now you could just remember those, memorize them in terms of the minor scale. There's nothing wrong with that. Personally, I prefer to understand why they are thus. Why is it so? And the easiest way to do this is just to think about the intervals in relation to the major scale more than the minor. So if I look at this interval just on its own, not in the context of a scale, if I pretend A is my tonic of my major scale, A is Do, well, would this be the third note of the scale? No, it's C sharp. So that's a major third. And since it's been dropped one, it's a minor third. Let's take a different example where we haven't looked at the scale first. If we look at this interval, if D is the tonic of the major scale, is B the sixth note? Yes, it is. So that's a major sixth. Let's try another one. Let's look at this. And we'll call that E flat, okay? So G to E flat. If G is going to be the start of our major scale, is the sixth note of that scale E flat? No, it's not, it's E. So that's your major sixth, which means that this is the minor sixth. I'll be honest, there are different schools of thought among different teachers on this. So if your teacher says to do it a different way, that is fine, they are not wrong. I prefer this way where we just compare everything to the major scale because it gives us one point of reference and it stops us from getting mixed up when we have major intervals in minor scales because that can get confusing. So this is how I look at it. Hopefully it's helpful for you.